So let's do a quick unboxing, shall we? Oh. The new Gumby, as they for some reason decided to call it. And this, it's wrapped up like a little present for some reason. I think it's a nice touch, you know, keep the packaging all nice, but there we go. As seen by many others. If you can hear a helicopter, that's because the king is just flying over. So, with these boxes, so this is how you open the camera. There's a pull down latch here, you pull that downwards and then the door swings open. And then you can grab the battery, so you slide it in this way, close that up. We're also going to put the memory card in. So here's a very minuscule 32 gigabytes, which probably won't last too long. And that, you need to take care to not slide it in between the battery and that compartment there. So with the contacts facing towards the lens on the outside, you slide it into this hole here, and then with your nail you can see it latch in place there. Then you're ready to go. Now when you first turn on your camera, you'll hear those beeps. Then you get to choose your language. So I'm going to choose English, agree to the terms, turn on GPS, and now you need to load up the Quik app. So now, so you hit this button here to add a camera. So it's saying it's found the camera. So then we click connect. There we go, you can name it and you can save the new name, and then it asks you to do the update. And now it's installing the update. So you can see it's updating with the cog there, and also there's a cog on this side to show you that yes, it's indeed updating. So it's now claiming it's ready, but it looks like it's still updating, but let's hit let's go. Update complete. So it starts on easy mode, but if you want to swap to pro mode, you can just swipe down. But if you want to control your GoPro with the app, now you can. So once it's connected, depending on your phone is how this will run exactly. So now you can see what your camera sees. You can change settings, change to different modes, and then you can take pictures if you want. And take a little video. So as you can see, the battery that comes in the pack doesn't have much charge, but I'm going to admire the new menu system, which are just bigger, which is great. I'm going to change it to Pro mode so I can get access to all of the settings. Highest quality vs extended battery, I'm going to go for highest quality. And then the preferences, you can start setting up everything you need to do now. But we're not going to do that yet. This is my GoPro 10 box, which is basically the same box. And inside I have a 3D printed separation system. So I'll put a link below if anyone wants to see this, because that makes it a lot more usable. Of course I was going to buy the Gumby too. It's got the little tab on the bottom, so you can open it nice and easily. So in the box, you've got a clip with the security tab. You've got another screw mount here. So here is Gumby, and he's got a spare set of legs. Good old Gumby. It's very simple. Oh, it's lovely grip texture on the back here, which also feels quite protective. So then you just wrap it around whatever you need to, twist it at the back, and you're ready to go, whatever you need to. And then you can use these clips, obviously with your camera attached, to clip it into place. Then once that's in place like so, put the tab down so then it can't be undone. So that's Gumby. So that was a quick unboxing of the new GoPro Hero 11. Right now I'm going to go out and do some tests and see how these two compare to each other.